huge land spout.
I haven't seen these.
Make that twin land spout. Yeah, that's, well, it's like a hybrid tornado.
Look at it come down.
My goodness. Going to left. We gotta go forward
It's
still.
coming this way.
We gotta go, Dan.
Okay.
So, like, we can just wait here for a second.
Let me
just letting you know.
Let me get out and just look at it a second. It's gonna cross them.
I'll let you know if you're clear right.
All my lands. Go, go, go!
This is gonna be really close range here. There it goes!
Oh, it just
right there.
Went across. Keep the stream on it. Oh, my lands.
All right, Dad, pull in here and get your drone out. Pull off right now.
There we go. All right. Oh, sheath.
Holy cow.
All right, here we go. Power flashes, maybe.
Holy cow.
Oh, I sure hope my. Oh, look at the vortices out in the field.
Oh my god.
All right, here we go. Image is insane. Look at the. Oh, you're busy. Look at the radar image.
Oh my god. No kidding.
Oh, geez.
Take a screenshot of that.
Yep, I'm gonna do that right now.
This is a beautiful tornado. And it's in the middle of a field. There's nothing better.
Yeah, this is
the dream.
6:08. Tornado's been on the ground for
Almost 20 minutes.
no, almost about 10 minutes now. Yeah, about 15. Yeah, hand me my
That is
camera
a
again. Hand me my camera.
Yep.
We're good. Alright, it's starting to weaken. Slightly. Alright, here's my eagle. Thank you, sir. You're a big help, man. Dude, you're huge. You're a huge help.
Oh man.
We are. Yeah, you can hear the gas leak. Yeah, that's not good. You don't want to be near that.
No.
Mike! Look behind you! New mezzo! Right here!
This is where it scoured the ground. Although, I think we're about to see a rope out.
And this row goes for...
Yep.
Get into shelter, there's a big tornado heading this way! Oh, this is a dark hang. All right. No hail, please. Oh, man. Oh, man, it's roaring. Oh, it's roaring. Okay. On this sucker. I gotta get my one shot through the windshield. Come on. Come on, windshields. so you can hear it. Okay, time to go. God, that sound. I don't know if you can hear it. It sounds.
Gosh, look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Those are our neighbors' houses. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.